Hey guys, welcome again to my channel. In today's video you are going to be learning how to fix this error. So let me show you the error again so that you guys can see it yourself. So it says expression of select list is not in group by clause and contain non-aggregated column. So in general it says this is incompatible with SQL mode only full group by. Okay, so now let's resolve this issue. So I'm going to close this error, and now sometimes you might click on the error and the error might not actually dismiss. So I will recommend you reload the page. So once you reload the page, what you need to do is very simple. Go straight to your PHP admin landing page, then go to your variable section. You are going to see this star bar at the top corner of at the top bar of your localhost PHP admin. So navigate to the variable section. Once you go to the variable section, you can search SQL mode, which I believe should show up. As you can see, we have what SQL mode. As you can see, I searched SQL mode here. So in case you don't have search keyword within this place, you can also scroll down to where you have SQL mode. So let me scroll down to SQL mode in case you don't have search. So this is SQL mode. So what you need to do is very simple and straightforward. So you click on edit. Now watch, let me try to run that query again. So before I edit it, let me select database and try to run the query again. So you still get the error, as you can see. So let me reload and go back to the variable section. So click on PHP admin, go to variable, then search SQL mode. And if you don't have SQL mode, scroll down to it, click on edit. Then once you click on the edit section, scroll down to where you have only full group by, along with this comma, take it out, that is delete it. Once you are done deleting that, click on this save, and that is going to be saved for you. So once that has been saved, select your database again and and run the query again. So now let me send this query. As you can see, the query is now working perfectly, which is amazing. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video. Also comment if you have any problem that you want me to actually create a video for. I will also do my best to solve the problem for you. Thank you once again. Love you guys. Bye.